Crude oil last week showed a very good recovery. We have seen it crossing 72 levels and hitting the next resistance zone at 72.4. Yes, it has respected beautifully the support levels at 68. I have mentioned in my last weekly review and in my daily updates as well that it has got very good support here on the down. Can we expect another bullish candle from here in oil taking it till towards 76 or higher levels? Can we say now a stronger base is created and oil is now ready to fly, or it is going to stay bearish as the crossover is here and it is trading in this bearish channel and it can hit the lows? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading the crude oil WTI? We will see with the help of charts and indicators, do a multi-time frame analysis and arrive at the levels so that you can trade profitably throughout the week. Also, I share my twice a day updates and with a detailed analysis on multiple time frames every day, first with the Asia session, next with the US session, give you a reasoning for you to take a particular trade at a particular price point. Do watch the twice a day updates, and this is the only channel in the world to do so subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications, join the free telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support. Let's start with the 4-hour charts first. What is happening on the 4-hour? See, after the drop here, remember one point, there is a gap here at 74.575. There is a resistance here at 76, and thus when oil starts to move upwards, first of all this zone is achievable, next is this is going to remain a greater resistance. Now look at the move here, sharp drop and bearishness getting diminished. We have seen the prices reversing. Very important for oil to now, I have mentioned in my daily update 71.8 and now 72.4, 72.5. These are the two levels which are going to remain crucial for crude oil to break. Once we see a breakout beyond this, chances will be very high that the next stop is going to be towards 73, and then beyond this I will look forward for it to fill the gap towards 74.5 and 75. Also, if you look at the 4-hour charts, I will show you same thing on the daily charts as well. Rise retracement, connect the dots, you will find higher lows and higher highs, and now the possibility of prices moving towards 76 cannot be denied. There is a strong possibility, but it has to break past few critical resistances on the upside. Right now, it is closed the week at the critical resistance zone itself. When you see the stochastic, this has come to an extremely overbought zone, which calls for it to retrace and show a little swing before it tries to bounce back up again. Likewise on the MACD, rise here, retracement, crossing over here, it appears there is not much of room available on the upside. Look at what it has done here. It could do the same here. It can take a little bit of time, but the trend it will keep intact. The RSI has also seen a good rise. Another thing to note here, the moving averages are now on the verge of a crossover. So two key points to note, $70 levels have now become a good support, and then 68.4, 68 zone. These are the two supports if and only if oil trades below, because see what we had seen, a double top here and the resistance here. So if it breaks below 70 and 68 levels, you can say we can in fact look forward to a round of crash. You should not ignore the other side of the views what we had seen so far. Coming to the day, look at the daily charts, rise retracement, higher lows and higher highs, and it is getting a good resistance here on the upside now towards 72, 72. The coming week is going to be crucial because see what we had seen for the last few trading sessions, a reversal sign was observed and higher lows are observed and higher highs are also seen, but the resistance here is intact. So you have to wait for the next candle. If you see it breaking out beyond 72.4, 72.5 and then 73, we can expect that sooner or later oil is going to bridge this gap here at 74.5, 75, and once it stays above 76, we are looking forward to higher highs here. It can break this resistance zone at 78 and 80 and hit the highs. Moving averages here are trading bearish, and now it we will wait for it to cross over. Right now the moving averages are definitely trading bearish here. When you see The stochastic, this is at the overbought zone, and it appears that there is little downside available. Whenever oil hits such zone, it tries to cool down. And now on the downside, remember one fact: the bearishness for the coming week is below 70, and the reversal confirmation or crash confirmation is below 68. Below 68. Now let me show you another round of or another picture to look at. If it trades below 70, we can expect 68.468, and below this it can in fact move towards 66.65. So this is the other way to look at it, because once it breaks below this channel, the bearishness will certainly increase. But look at the when you see the MACD rise retracement, a potential of a crossover, this crossover can take the prices to the highs. We have to watch out. RSI is also looking upwards, which is also a good sign for the bulls here. Coming to the weekly, when you look at the weekly charts, very important to note, for multiple weeks, none of the candles have closed below 60. This indicates it has formed a very good support, very good base at around 68 levels. Also, you can see higher lows here. So, at any point of time, if you see price is trading below 68 and a closer of candle below 68 on the weekly basis, we can say that that is the only point of time we are going to trade bearish and we are going to stay bearish. What is happening here, you should notice. Look at the formation here. Let me show you something. What has happened here? A stronger drop, consolidated here for weeks, and then a stronger run has appeared. Then a sharper drop, consolidation here at the base, and then a stronger run. Then, since then, it is trading bearish. And remember, the stronger the base it creates here on the downside, the stronger the rise is going to be. And on the weekly charts also, it is forming a nice flag. Now we have to just wait for oil to break beyond 80, which will be a confirmation of a breakout for the near term, where we are looking forward to a extremely strong rally in crude oil for the near future. Let's see if it gives you a breakout in the coming few weeks. If you look at the stochastic, this is right now looking downwards, while the MACD, if you see on the MACD, it has formed a triple bottom. The rise here, it is under retracement, and a crossover here is going to lead to tremendous bullishness. We have to wait for it to crossover. Coming week is going to be one critical milestone for that, where a stronger bullish candle taking the prices above 75, 76 will be a good indication that the next few weeks are going to stay bullish as well. RSI rising. Coming to the month, on the monthly charts, look at the formation here. Rise retracement, straight 3 to 4 bearish candles trying to bounce back. It is trying to replicate similar formation here, but here it has seen higher highs and see higher lows here. So it appears for the only we have 4 trading sessions left. It could try to close somewhere here at around 75, and then the next month is going to remain one critical month, which is going to confirm a breakout here, which can in fact take the prices above 80 here. So coming week is important. Possibly the chances are higher that it can give you a breakout on the upside. While do not forget that these are markets. Once it stays below 68, we can say it is going to turn red, it is going to turn bearish, and the chances will be high that we are looking forward to a move towards 66 and 65 levels. Though as far as my understanding goes, I think the prices have stabilized for a fair bit of time. Stochastic has hit a bottom, while MACD, if you, it is delivering nice wave here. It has hit the lows here, and you have to wait for a crossover which will confirm the reversal. It is it is almost at the verge of it. RSI now is starting to look upwards. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy for the coming week. And before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a stress-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. First, let's talk about the levels to buy. I will recommend you to buy here at 71.85, which is indeed a good resistance. Wait for it to break beyond 72.2, 72.5 levels. Once this is taken, chances will be high that we are looking forward to 73. And once 73.73 is taken, you can wait for 73.8, 74.5 and 75. Now till here it is a gap filling. There is a gap available here. It could try to fill the gap in the coming week itself. Beyond 75 is where real bullishness will be seen. I will look forward to directly $76 levels, and if it stays above 76, stay bullish. It is not going to stop the run here. We will look forward to a run towards 78.6, 79.2 and 80. This is a you can see a bit dreamy picture as of now, but yes, it will get realized in the next few weeks. That is what is my expectation. It may take time, but will definitely get achieved sooner or later. May take some time, that's it. But for the coming week specifically, I look forward to a move towards this. There is a possibility, however, just be cautious at the critical resistances, because see, my bias is different and the actual market behavior is what you should look for. And hence till 73, 74.5, 75, do not treat this as bullish. It can reverse and drop again. My responsibility is to give you a caution note so that you can trade with profits. Now on the down, take a sell at 71.2, expect 70.8. Now this complete zone is the very strong support on the downside, because below this we can expect 70.25, 60, or rather 70 also is going to be a good support. Below this 69.6. Then see, on the downside support levels are very strong here and very nearby as well. And then 68.4, 68.6, and then 68. If at any point of time you see oil trading below 68, stay short. Stay short. We can in fact expect it to move towards 66 and 65 level. Though this is the worst case, I do not expect this to happen at any point of time. Even if it tries to drop, I see for the coming week specifically $70 levels to play a very critical role. Then 69.3 is going to be one critical level, and then ultimately till here it is going to get extremely strong support. Even if we see a drop, my possibility, my expectation is for a rise. Let's see what happens. But yes, till 68.4, 68.6, we should not be treating this as bearish as well. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join the mentorship batch and the signals channel. Do not miss to watch the daily updates. Do like, share, comment. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.